everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 8th to the 12th of May 2023. Well guys, it's Mlilo's funeral this week on Monday. Morena refuses to accept the bombshell that has just been dropped. Nomafu realizes that she's about to play second fiddle to someone else on Tuesday. Morena feels the war are closing in on him while an unfamiliar side of Bukhosi makes Nomafu get her ground up on Wednesday. Only lies can save Ndumiso, and Morena learns the truth behind his family's lack of support on Thursday. Morena steps into an adulthood and does something against his better judgment. Maletsatsi hold things together while Bukhosi and Nomafu are at odds on Friday. The Hlopes bids their farewell soldier goodbye, while Morena is winded by yet another surprise from his past fling. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.